Okay, so then to solve this problem, the very first thing I need to do is copy most of it. Except that what I want to do is factor this side. And if I'm lucky, the factors are going to be the same as these denominators on the other side. So definitely I have an x here. And the factors of 12 are 6 and 2. And also 6 plus 2 is 8. So I know for sure that indeed those are my factors for this trinomial. What I'm going to do now is do brackets, and just because of space, I'm going to do it on the right side, but I'm going to multiply by x minus 2 and multiply by x minus 6. Now I'm going to take the whole thing that you see here and multiply it by each of these terms. In doing that, what ends up happening is that the x minus 2's are going to cancel first. And I'm going to be left with an x minus 6 on when I multiply by this first term. Now, when I multiply by the second term, what ends up happening is that the x minus 6 is canceled in that case. So I'm left with 5 times x minus 2. And then when I multiply it by this last term, everything cancels. I'm simply left with a 4. Okay, then I'm going to use the FOIL method over here, which leaves me with negative 3x squared. And then outer is 18x, inner is x, last is minus 6. Then I'm going to distribute this 5. That's minus 5x plus 10 is equal to 4. And I am going to try to make a little bit of space for myself. I'm going to keep the minus 3x squared, combine this term, this term, this term. So it's 19 minus 5x, which is 14x. Then I'm going to combine it. I'm just going to use another color to help me. The minus 6, the plus 10, and the 4. So that's going to be 4 on both sides. So all the constant terms are going to cancel. And I'm just confirming that in my head. Okay, and then so I'm gonna factor out an x. I can even factor out a minus x, and I'm left with minus 3x plus 14 equals 0. That means negative x is 0, which means x is 0. And then I have negative 3x plus 14 is 0. And with a little bit of basic algebra, my other solution is x equals 15 thirds.